How's it going, everybody? This is Dakota from the Techies World, and today we're going to unbox my new iPhone 6s. This is a 64GB model in space gray, although the box is silver, but I'll explain that a little bit later on in the video. Underneath the phone is the documentation packet, which also includes the SIM card removal tool for inserting your SIM card if you bought this phone brand new. Underneath the documentation pouch is all the accessories. The iPhone 6s ships with the standard iPhone charging brick along with the standard lightning cable. There's also a pair of earpods in its plastic protective case. So the first thing we're going to do is take the phone out of its plastic wrapping and power it on for the first time. In this case, I'm actually going to restore this phone from a previous backup that I did the other day. To do this, we just plug the phone into the computer using the supplied lightning cable. Once we plug the phone in, iTunes should launch with a window that looks like this. Now usually if you were to set this up through iTunes, you would set it up as a new phone. In this case, because we're going to restore, we want to make sure that we click on Restore from this backup and choose the backup device that we want to restore the data from. iTunes will then ask you to enter the password of your phone to restore this backup. Once you do this, you should see a screen on your phone that looks like this, and a pop-up window in iTunes that looks like this. Go and get some Tim Hortons or do a chore while you wait. This'll take a while. So there you go. That is the iPhone 6s unboxed and fully restored from an iTunes backup. I can't really see that, but let me unplug here for a second. There you go. We're fully restored. Hi, there I am. Fully restored off a iTunes backup, and just having it plugged in to just finish charging. It just finished downloading and installing all the apps. Now, a lot of you guys know that the iPhone 6 family, that would be the 6, 6 Plus, 6S, and 6S Plus, actually have some battery defects, but this one has had a full battery completely swapped on it from Apple. Stupid me, now you may be looking at this and being like, well, gee, techie, you know, the box showed, let me show you here, the box showed a silver iPhone, but the phone's space gray. Well, stupid me, what ended up happening was I got this phone without a box. This was sort of like a box unboxing, so to speak, because I've been using this phone for about a few months now, and but it didn't have a box, so I bought a box, and I swore this was a silver phone. And you know, I was looking at it thinking like, okay, if it's silver, then why doesn't it have the white front? It has the black front. And stupid me, I did not realize this was a space gray model. I thought it was silver. So, I don't know. I think my mind is going a little wonky, but yeah, but the box doesn't matter. So I bought a box that has all the accessories in it, but it's the wrong box. It's supposed to be a space gray box, not silver, but who cares? But anyway, so that's why it looked a little different than what it showed on the box. So yeah, fully restored space gray iPhone 6s. This thing is in really as new condition because it's been kept in a case all of its life. And as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to put the phone back in its case. So, you know, the iPhone 6s is still a very capable phone. It still runs iOS 12. It's going to be supported probably for a few more years, so it's a great phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up button. If you want to see more content from the Techies World, if you're not already, hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell to turn on notifications so you'll be alerted for all future uploads. I think everybody knows that now. Check out all the social media accounts, and I will see you with the next tech video. Thank you for watching.